don't put things where they're going to fall down, because they will fall down and distract you. I'll have to remember to pick that up. Am I ever excited? I'm pretty pumped and excited. I just did a location scout yesterday for some projects that I'm working on coming down the pipe here. For one in particular, to start a specific series out that I'm going to be working on. So I'm pretty pumped, pretty excited. I just wanted to jump on and let you guys know that I'm still here, still working on a lot of stuff. And I'm going to be coming out with some smaller things as I go along here, sharing equipment that I started with, sharing equipment that I'm currently using and am currently growing into, and some of the purchases that I've made, that the company has made to grow in doing video production and drone work and just everything that Canadian Drone Zone encompasses. So it's going to be fun, it's going to be exciting, it's a phase that I'm looking forward to moving into, and I wanted to find a way to use Canadian Drone Zone and video production and drone videography to help the community, help get connected with the community and help grow the community and grow my own community within Canadian Drone Zone and the people that I have that I can surround myself with. So I'm excited. I am pretty pumped. It's a quick little intro that I just threw together to kind of give you a taste of things to come. But in the meantime, look forward to my everyday what's in my bag. I'll give you a little office tour, show you the things that I do carry around on a day-to-day basis when I head out of the studio, and just share some of the equipment that I'm growing into, the equipment that I'm using, a new camera that I'm using. It's a bit of a learning curve there, but all fun and exciting stuff. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that little ringy dingy bell so that when you like and subscribe, you can get notifications as to when new stuff is coming out. So look forward to finding out what's in my everyday bag and what I carry around every day, and a little glimpse of a behind the scenes office tour of where Canadian Drone Zone currently operates, and possibly some exciting and new things coming down the road as to relocation. All fun, all new, all very exciting stuff, and I'm really looking forward to sharing it with everybody, and I'm looking really forward to sharing these things with you and giving you a glimpse into and behind the scenes of Canadian Drone Zone, and a little glimpse of things to come. So again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So, up next is my everyday backpack. Thanks guys, see you soon. Alright, now let's see what's on sale for Black Friday stuff. I'm gonna need one of these eventually. Black Friday. I tell you, whoever came up with the Black Friday, because then Black Friday, after Black Friday, they extend that, and then Christmas stuff comes up, and I tell you, from November on, it's pretty much sale after sale after sale.